This guide will help you navigate the process of requesting payouts from Wells Fargo in 2026. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the section for payouts or payments. This may be found under Transfers, Payments, or a similar heading in the main menu. Step 3. Select the type of payout. Choose the type of payout you wish to request, such as a transfer to another bank account, a payment to a vendor, or a withdrawal. Make sure to select the correct option based on your needs. Step 4. Enter payout details. Fill in the required information for the payout, including the amount, recipient details, and any necessary account numbers. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. Review your payout request one last time to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation notification shortly after. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts from Wells Fargo. If you have any questions or encounter issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support for assistance.